Hello, my name is Pete Dryden and I'm going to show you a fluffy pancake recipe. Things you will need: pancake mix, vanilla, sugar, cooking spray, and a griddle. The first thing to do is mix together your pancake mix according to the package instructions. Make sure the batter is not too runny. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the batter for each batch. Now stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar into the batter for each batch, which will help to make the pancakes lighter and fluffier. Once the ingredients are all mixed together, set the batter aside for a few minutes, allowing air to build up within the batter. Turn the griddle onto medium heat and spray the surface evenly with cooking spray. Now take your batter and pour small amounts onto the griddle, forming circles. Once the batter begins to bubble in the middle, flip each pancake over and continue cooking until golden brown. And that is a fluffy pancake recipe.